EBizCharge has been working with manufacturing businesses for over 15 years. We understand the struggles that companies face in the area of accepting payments. Paying premiums to accept credit cards or waiting months for customers to mail you a check can make it very difficult. EBizCharge works with your ERP accounting program to lower the premium you pay to accept credit cards and get you paid faster. We also integrate seamlessly to improve your accounting workflows by reducing double data entry and eliminating human error and costly mistakes. And we give your customer a way to pay you instead of chasing down the payment yourself. We offer a PCI Compliance solution that includes a secure payment portal and email payment options so your customers can pay whenever they want through a secure online form that syncs back to your ERP to help you get paid faster. EBizCharge can also work at any point in your sales cycle, so whether you're taking payments up front, in the middle, or after your product has been delivered, you can accept payments through EBizCharge directly inside your accounting or ERP system. And don't worry, EBizCharge already works with over 100 accounting and ERP systems, so chances are it'll work for you. Achieve PCI compliance, lower your costs, and expedite your payment collections process with EBizCharge. Visit our website to schedule a quick 5-minute call today.